Namaste, welcome to e-tutorial of KyreBot, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Government of India. Welcome all the students and the new entrepreneurs and those the well-wishers of Kyre industry, wholeheartedly on behalf of the Ministry of MSME and the Chairman, other faculty, officers of KyreBot, on behalf of all the technical and scientific faculties, all of you, we are welcome to all for the e-tutorials. We wish all of you the great day and great days forever. Kyre industry, Indian Kyre, it is nature's gift, and we are welcome again to the e-tutorials of KyreBot. KyreBot is under the control of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Government of India, Ministry of MSME. MSME is nothing, it is the living and creating the growth engine of New India. We are also welcome the National Kyre Training and Design Center. We are imparting different kinds of training, including NSQF level 4, NSQF level 3 and the field training, training for aspire students and entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs, and enrichment of their technical knowledge, which we are developed different kinds of technologies, our Central Kyre Research Institute. And we can also proudly remember all the golden days with then our beloved APJ Abdul Kalam, who came here for 3.5 hours and spent for it, and he is actually given all the plantation of coconut tree and watering on it with the then chairman Professor G. Balandran sir and the secretary and renowned and legends of Kyre industry, including the board members during that particular day. This is the heavenly tree, it is coconut tree, the scientific name is Coco nucifera, that is a family. So without this heaven tree, the coconut tree, there is no question of Kyre industry, because we are using the outer, the natural helmet of the coconut, the agro product waste actually we are taking as our raw material for Kyre industry. So without coconut tree, there is no Kyre industry. Kyre industry is nothing. Kyre industry is a traditional labor intensive, export oriented and agro based cottage industry. That is the definition. The industry originated in the states of Kerala centuries ago, has spread to other coconut growing states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Goa, Maharashtra, etc. over the years. The industry employs more than 500,000 people, and majority of them are from rural areas belonging to economically weaker sections of the society. About 80% of women, that is the speciality of this industry. We are empowering the women, income generations through women and the prosperity of our nation also. Kyre fiber is extracted from the outer Kyre of coconut, which is a coconut husk, it is called coconut husk, by either process known as retting practiced in state of Kerala, earlier mechanical decortication in Verg in other. There are now the retting process is actually completely over due to different kinds of pollution. So mechanical means we are extracting the fiber from the husk.